Everybody's kind of happy right now. We finally got a good little soaking. Look at some of these numbers from the interior in the Lakes region and on up into the foothills. Livermore over 2 inches, Lewiston, Auburn about 2 inches, and same with Bangor. Wiscasset along the mid-coast did well. Waterville did well. Many other spots picking up close to an inch. So that was good. That was good. Now the problem is I don't see rain for a while. So we're going to go back into a very dry pattern, which will exacerbate the drought once again. All rain shifting out of here. We're already clearing in spots, but there is some fog and it is still wet from all that rain we got yesterday. Current temperatures are balmy. It feels like a July or August morning. It's 63 in Bangor. It's 66 in Portland. And look at Portsmouth, 69 degrees. That's above our average high for this day. That's an afternoon temp. Incredible. Well, the storm system is now clearing us and moving on out, and we just have this big high moving in. And this high will protect us all weekend long. We'll get a lot of sunshine. And it's going to feel quite warm, too, for this time of year especially. So the rain is gone. It's still wet out, though. Fog and clouds will clear off rather quickly. You don't need any extra layer this morning. It's that warm out. A lot of sunshine during the middle of the day. It'll be warm. It will be humid. We're going to have this summer feel out there, and that goes all the way through the evening hours. That's when the humidity starts to ease a little bit, but it'll still be on the muggier side even up through sunset. But it will also be mostly sunny through sunset. It looks like a great Friday evening. Got a lot of high school football action tonight. Actually kind of warm. Not that fall feel, that football feel. We're going to have a west breeze, so that's offshore. That's going to mean that the coastline will be the warmest today. And we're almost getting to 80 degrees in Portland and down through the York County beaches. Mid to upper ones in the mid-coast and mid-70s along the down east coastline. Looks very warm even up through the mountains too. What a day to get a 3-day weekend. Speaking of the weekend, beautiful tomorrow with high pressure over us. On Sunday there'll be a little more cloud cover around, but still very nice. And then the next high builds in for early next week. We will be watching the tropics at this point, but it looks like this big high will come to our rescue and keep storms away from us to our south and out to sea. We've got a new hurricane, Umberto, and we're still keeping an eye on this area, which is likely to develop into some sort of tropical system too. So we might have 2 going at one time over the weekend. Hurricane Center also expects Umberto to become a major hurricane over the weekend, and early next week will be somewhere between Bermuda and the U.S. mainland. So we do have concerns. We've got to keep a close eye on this. But again, it looks as if that big high is going to build in and keep this stuff away. Fingers crossed for that. Small crafts are up, seas 4 to 6 feet, and west winds 10 to 20. So we've got some rollers out there, and it's choppy. Sunshine, warm today, highs 75 to 80. We get to the weekend, it's sunny and very nice tomorrow, mid-70s. Sun and clouds on Sunday, also in the mid-70s, and warm and dry on Monday, 75 to 80 degrees. Tuesday, it's sunny and pleasant in the low 70s, and then we see an adjustment with the temperatures. It's going to feel more like fall should feel. But we still keep the sunny streak going. So I don't have a raindrop on there for the next 7 days. So it's a good thing we got it soaking yesterday, you know? Yeah.
Yesterday was good.
It was.
Now we can go back to sun.
Now we go back to the good stuff.
All right, thank you.